Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp contact not showing on iPhone. Let's get started. Solution 1. Go to Settings. In Settings page, tap on Privacy and Security. Next, tap on Contacts. Tap on WhatsApp. Here, select Full Access. Tap on Allow Full Access to confirm. Solution 2. Go to App Store. Search WhatsApp in search bar. Check if update available, then update the app. Solution 3. Open Settings. In Settings page, scroll down at the bottom. Tap on Apps. Find and tap on WhatsApp. Tap on Contacts. Select Full Access. Tap on Allow Full Access to confirm. Solution 4. Go to Settings app. In Settings page, tap on your name. Tap on iCloud. Here, tap on See All. Here, turn on Contacts. Tap on Merge to confirm. Now check. I hope after watching this video, your problem will be solved. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.